Hi, my name is Shafayat Hussain. Uh, Welcome to Funda Training Center e-learning uh, debriefing class. We're going to learn about e-learning class. Okay, so look at the screen, everyone. Okay, uh, what do you need to prepare before you are attending pre-briefing class? Okay, take a note. Get ready your NRIC work permit. You need to stand by your work permit. Okay, because of we need to take the attendance before you sit on class. You need to stand by your work permit. Make sure your handphone fully charges. You need to stand by your PowerPoint and mobile charger also. Ensure your handphone internet data minimum 2 GB you need to stand by. When you in the class, always mute your microphone, off your microphone, and do not touch share screen icon. When you in the class, you are not allowed to laying on the bed. Always sit in front of camera. Okay, how you join our e-learning class? We will send you the by WhatsApp. We send you the link. We send you the link in by WhatsApp before your class is start. 30 minutes before we'll send you the link. When you receive the link, you can join in the class. Actual time your class just 5 minutes before. What do? You click the link. When you click the link on your screen, will open like this. Most of people screen open like this, but sometimes some of the mobile don't open direct like that. Open like with when you click the link, open with Launcher, Google Chrome, TubeMate. You need to click the Google Chrome. When you click the Google Chrome, then will open like this. So what you need to do? Look how many options here have. Camera, microphone, join, share screen. Please do not touch this share screen. What you need to do? Off your microphone, you click join. When you click join, you need to wait few seconds because your class trainer need to accept you. When accept you, you will be in the class. Please look at the screen. Okay. When you in the class, you touch your screen, you will see all these options. Please listen carefully and remember, is the red color telephone button. Basically, this is the functioning option. When your class is start to end, you are not allowed to touch this red color telephone button. Because when you touch it, what happened? Cut the line. You are not in the class. If you are not in the class, if you cannot join, that means you will be absent. Video camera. Video camera always must be on. Always you must be on. Do not off your camera because your class is recorded. Start to end is recorded and BCO officer is monitoring that class. Also have the reason when your class is start, every 30 minutes we need to take the group picture. When we take the group picture, we'll inform you, you must sit in front of camera. Microphone, do not on the microphone without your trainer instruction because if you on the microphone normally in our class 30 people in the class, if you on the microphone, class will feel disturbed, so it's not allowed to on the microphone. If you want to talk to trainer, what you do, you raise up your hand on his screen, then your trainer will see your hand, call your name, allow you to on the microphone, then you on the microphone and talk. Okay. If in class you face any problem, you must raise up the hand. Do not touch any function without your trainer instruction. Just now about the telephone button, what I say, you are not allowed to cut the line, right, during your class. Then when you can cut the line? End your meeting session. That means your class complete everything. Finally, your assessment also complete. Then at last your trainer will call your name, give you the result, ask you to leave the class. That time only you can cut the line and leave the class. Just take a note for video camera. During your class, halfway we give you the tea break. Only the tea break time, if your trainer allow you to off the camera, then you can off your camera. If not, without your trainer instruction, you are not allowed to do anything in the class. Okay, look at the three dot. These three dot also very important. We go more detail about these three dot. Look at your screen. When you press the button, I mean the three dot, when you click, what happen? Open with all these options. Look at here. Look at the screen. When you press the three dot, all these option open, right? Only you can press this in call message. Okay, this in call message is your message function option. Others than this, all these option you are not allowed to touch. There have problem, especially share screen. Please do not touch this option. If you touch it, what happen? Like your trainer presenting. So all of you can see your trainer screen. If any of you, anyone go and touch this share screen, in the class, everyone will see who go and touch the share screen, his mobile screen. So it's not nice. Your mobile is your personal thing. We don't want to share anything to anyone. So just take a note, please. Only you can go to the this option, in call message. When you click this in call message, your message function will on. When your message function on, you can write you write you got any question, any inquiry. You click here, write your question, click the arrow, message will come to your trainer. Anyway, in the class, everyone also can read the message. Why this message option very important? Because in your after your lesson, we'll send two link, but two link not together, one by one. First link will send you evaluation link. Okay. After you complete evaluation, then we'll send you the assessment link. Don't worry, I will show you how you're going to do your evaluation and assessment. Okay. Look at the screen. Where you find your link in the message function. When we send you the link, it will be like this. So when you see the link, you need to click the link. When you click the link, then he load and open. Sometime you click the link, you cannot open the link. If you cannot open the link, what you do? You raise up your hand on your microphone and inform your trainer, I cannot open the link. Then your trainer will advise you what you need to do. Basically, we advise because sometimes your mobile is hang. So what you need to do, if you cannot open your link, you need to cut the line. But before cut the line, you need to inform your trainer. Cut the line off your mobile, restart your mobile, you join again. We give you the link again. Then you click the link will be open. This is the evaluation link. Everyone, look. What you need to do, how you going to fill up the form. Okay, you just click here, our training center, all of you know, Funda Global Engineering Private Limited. Just click here, will do. Then your test date, which date your CET, you just write your CET, the date, the date, test date. Then you go down. Anyway, in the class, your trainer also, everything will explain to you how you're going to do it. Okay, you need to just click here, then you which trade is your city, you just select it, then you go down. So first end date also the same date because city is the only half day class. Then you go down, there have like how is our training center. All of you know our training center, Funda training center is in Singapore, biggest number one training center. So all of you know about it. So you just need to select. If you think your training everything is good, you just select like 5 star. Okay, 5 star. When you click this, then you go down. Accept everyone. You just select 5. Okay, accept 15, 16, 17. You no need to do because this is the for the practical training because you don't have the practical training. Finally, 21 and 22, everyone you need to fill up except 15, 16, 17. Then 21, you just select yes, yes. If you have any comment, you also can comment here about our training center, about your trainer. Or if you don't have, you know, write also okay. Or if you don't have any comment, you just write NC, no comment. Then you submit. Okay. So we anyway we in the class also will explain to you how you're going to do it. Then how you going to do your assessment. Okay, when you click the link, it's the same way. We send you the link, same way. Then first, email address. You need to write here your email address. Then go down, name. Okay, email address. The name as per NRIC work permit. You need to write your name. How is your name on your work permit or IC there? On your IC there or on your work permit. You need to write that name, full name. Then NRIC PIN number. You just need to write your PIN number. Then you go and answer the question. I just show you one sample question. The question, every question there have 4 answer. Every answer there have circle, 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 circle. So in four answer, one answer is correct. You need to choose the right answer. Then you just click the circle. So your assessment will be total 15 question. When you answer the last question, 15 question, then have submit. You just need to click the submit. Okay. So remember all these things. We go to the next. Look at here. Look at your screen. What you all can see in the picture. Remember at first what I say, before you start your class, you need to stand by your IC or your work permit, right? That the reason, because when you in that class, we'll call your name, your trainer will call your name, ask you to hold your work permit, same like this picture. Look at the picture, the person, the face. Follow the face center and work permit center. And the face and work permit in between, there have certain of gap. Then work permit picture must be very clear. You no need to take the picture. Picture taking by us. We will take your trainer will take the picture. Okay. So you just need to cooperate with us and follow all the your trainer instruction. Anyway, I'm going to do the demo. Okay. Don't worry, I do the demo. Look at the screen. Okay. How you going to adjust your work path? Look, sometimes people hold like this is wrong. It's wrong. Okay, sometimes people hold like this wrong. Okay, sometimes slanted. Don't do it. Okay, do not cover your work permit picture. Okay, you just hold it like this, so safe. When you hold your your work permit, you need to follow your trainer instruction. If your trainer say slowly bring in front of camera, you just slowly bring. Don't move it too fast. Left, right, also slow. When your trainer say stop, then you don't shake your hand. Relax. Then your trainer will take the picture. Okay. So remember how many things I highlight to you everything all of you remember. Another one thing, just highlight to you, when you sit on class, please, it's not allowed to any of your colleague, any of your friend are not allowed to sit with you because class is yours. So just remember, huh? Okay, so let's say you have any inquiry, you have any question, like you confuse any problem, you can call our staff. For those Bangladeshi, you all can call on this number. Those Indian speaking Tamil also can call this number. Those PRC like Chinese also you can call on this number. So thank you so much. Thank you